Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Libras. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Libras. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving the message from your person at last. So let's see what's coming up. Six of Swords, Magician, Libras. With these cards, I feel you're taking up some kind of journey. This may be an emotional journey, or literally you are traveling to some place, or maybe in your heart you want to travel to some place alone, where you can what to say, find peace and happiness. Okay, emotionally maybe you're trying to isolate yourself, be alone. Okay, that may also be the energy here, Libras. You're trying to stay away from things, not to be bothered, and you are in an emotional way you're trying to isolate yourself from day to day activities, whatever it is, in your work or in your relationship. You feel something is bothering you, guys. Maybe that may be due to lack of self confidence for some of you all. Maybe you feel you are not capable enough in this relationship, responsible enough. That may be the energy here, Libras. So this may be your energy or your person's energy. Your person may feel you are not responsible enough, and they want to move away from this relationship, or you may feel your person is not responsible enough and you want to stay away from this relationship, guys. So whatever it is, let us find out. Let me pick a few cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Okay. Scythe, Stock. So with these cards, I definitely feel something is ending, guys. Maybe some of you all want to start a family and get committed, but your person does not want to do that. Maybe they feel it is too fast to get committed, okay, or maybe it is too soon, okay. So some kind of transformation is happening within themselves. They are just reflecting within themselves whether this is a necessary step, what they need to do. So some important transformation is happening. Maybe some of you are actually having a baby, and your person you're in relationship with, they are having doubts over this relationship, and they don't want to be handling a baby and being responsible. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So maybe this relationship is a destined connection, guys, a karmic one. Maybe it is a karmic cycle. Whatever is happening here, maybe it is a karmic cycle. Maybe you were destined to be this person at this time. So that may also be the energy here, Libras. But something is definitely changing, guys. Some kind of change they are facing because of this responsibility. They are trying to run away from responsibility, your person, or you may be running away from responsibilities. You don't want to have those burdens of a committed relationship. So that may be the energy here, Libras. I'll be picking out three cards from the message deck, guys. Let's see what is coming up. This is what your person feels towards you, or what you feel about your person. The way you love me. You're the light of my life. You compliment me. Okay, guys, for those Libras who are in relationship, this is the energy, guys. This is the message from your person. They feel you are very compatible, and what to say, you are the reason for the happiness in their lives, and they love the way you are with them. You are in this relationship. They have this good what to say, bonding in this relationship. So that is the energy, guys, they feel towards you. So maybe they are not what to say, they are not ready to step up to this responsibility. So they may be running away from responsibilities, guys. That may be the energy here, Libras. Or you may be running away from responsibilities because you feel it is too soon, guys. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.